What if you could build a powerful professional brand in days, not months? We're not talking about some cookie-cutter template, but a unique identity that truly pops. That's the power of AI, and in this video we're diving deep into how these tools can completely transform your brand game. Think about it. AI can help you nail down your brand voice, whip up stunning logos and visuals, and even craft compelling messaging, all in a fraction of the time it would normally take. We're talking about going from zero to branded in like record time. And the craziest part, you don't need to be a tech wizard to make this happen. We're gonna walk through some seriously user-friendly tools that'll have you feeling like a branding pro. Stick around because things are about to get interesting. Alright, first things first, your brand's voice. This is how you communicate with the world. It's the personality, the tone, the vibe you put out there. And AI can actually help you define it. Think of tools like ChatGPT. You can literally type in prompts like, write a brand voice guide for a modern, wellness-focused startup. And boom, it spits out suggestions for your tone, language, even example messaging. It's kind of mind-blowing. Let's say you're launching a sustainable clothing line. You want to come across as eco-conscious, obviously, but also trendy, approachable, and maybe a little bit edgy. Plug those keywords into an AI tool, and watch the magic happen. It's not just about generating words though, it's about understanding the feeling you want to evoke in your audience. Do you want them to feel inspired, empowered, understood? AI can help you fine-tune that message and make sure it resonates. Now you might be thinking, won't this make my brand sound robotic? And the answer is no, not if you use it right. AI is a tool, like a really advanced thesaurus. It's up to you to take those suggestions and infuse them with your own creativity, your own unique perspective. Think of AI as your brainstorming buddy, helping you unlock ideas you might not have thought of on your own. The goal here is to create a brand voice that feels authentic to you and connects with your target audience on a deeper level. And honestly, who wouldn't want a little help with that? So don't be afraid to experiment, play around with different prompts, and see what kind of voice emerges. You might be surprised at how AI can help you find the perfect words to express your brand's true identity. Remember, your brand voice is the foundation of everything you do. It's on your website, your social media, your product packaging, it's everywhere, so getting it right is crucial. Okay, so we've got our brand voice down. Now let's talk visuals. This is where things get really fun, because AI can help you create professional-looking logos, color palettes, and even entire brand identities in minutes. We're talking about tools like Looka, Brandmark, and even Midjourney, which is more on the AI art generation side. But trust me, it's worth checking out. These platforms use algorithms to generate design options based on your input. You can input your industry, your brand values, even upload images for inspiration. And then bam, you've got a whole bunch of logo concepts to choose from. You can customize the colors, the fonts, the layout, everything. Let's say you're launching a high-end coffee brand. You want a logo that feels sophisticated, maybe a little bit vintage, with a touch of modern flair. You can literally type that into Looka or Brandmark and see what they come up with. And the cool thing is, these tools don't just stop at logos. They can also generate color palettes that perfectly complement your brand's personality. We're talking about those aesthetically pleasing color combinations that just make you go, ooh, I like that. And don't even get me started on fonts. Choosing the right font can make or break your brand identity. But with AI, you don't have to be a typography expert to find the perfect match. These tools can suggest fonts that align with your brand's overall aesthetic. Whether you're going for bold and modern or classic and elegant, AI has got you covered. The best part? Most of these tools offer free trials or basic plans so you can experiment and see what works best for your brand without breaking the bank. So ditch the days of struggling with design software or spending a fortune on a professional designer. AI is here to make the visual branding process easier, faster, and dare I say even enjoyable. Just remember, your visual identity is just as important as your brand voice. It's the first thing people see, so make it count. Alright, we've got our voice, our visuals. Now we need to bring it all together in a brand style guide. This is like the holy grail of branding. It's a document that outlines all the essential elements of your brand identity. Think of it as a reference point for anyone who interacts with your brand, from your internal team to freelancers to external agencies. It ensures consistency across all your marketing materials, which is key for building a strong, recognizable brand. Now, creating a style guide from scratch can be time-consuming. But guess what? AI can help with that too. Tools like Canva and even Notion AI can help you generate a basic style guide in minutes. You can input your brand colors, fonts, logo, and other visual elements, and then, boom, you've got a beautifully designed style guide that you can customize and share with your team. But it's not just about the visuals. Your style guide should also include your brand voice guidelines, your mission statement, your target audience, all the essential information that defines your brand. And the great thing about using a tool like Canva or Notion is that you can easily update your style guide as your brand evolves. Because let's face it, brands are not static. They grow and change over time. Having a centralized style guide ensures that everyone is on the same page and that your brand remains consistent across all touchpoints. So, don't skip this step. Even if you're just starting out, creating a basic style guide with the help of AI can save you a lot of headaches down the road. Plus, it makes you look super professional. And who doesn't want that? Alright, we've got the looks, the voice, the style guide. Now let's talk about what you're actually saying to the world. Your brand messaging. This is everything from your tagline to your website copy to your social media captions. It's about communicating your brand's value proposition in a way that resonates with your target audience. And yes, you guessed it. AI can help with this too. Tools like Copy.ai and Jasper are like having a team of copywriters at your fingertips. You can input your brand information, target audience, and key selling points. And then, watch as these AI powerhouses generate compelling headlines, taglines, product descriptions, and even entire website copy. Let's say you're launching a new line of skincare products. You want to highlight the natural ingredients, the effectiveness, and the luxurious feel of your products. You can literally type that into Copy.ai or Jasper and say something like, generate a tagline and mission statement for a skincare brand that uses natural ingredients and focuses on sustainability. And boom, you've got a bunch of options to choose from. You can then tweak and refine these suggestions to make them your own. But it's not just about generating words for the sake of it, it's about crafting a cohesive brand story that connects with your audience on an emotional level. What problem are you solving for them? What makes your brand unique? Why should they care? AI can help you answer these questions in a way that feels authentic and engaging. So ditch the writer's block and let AI do the heavy lifting. It's like having a brainstorming partner who's always full of ideas. Just remember to infuse your own personality and brand voice into the final copy, because at the end of the day, it's your brand, and your voice should shine through. Okay, let's talk social media. It's a jungle out there. But it's also an incredible platform for connecting with your target audience and building a loyal following. The key is to create content that's not only visually appealing, but also on-brand and engaging. And you guessed it, AI can help with that too. Tools like Canva AI and even Later's AI Caption Generator can help you create stunning social media graphics, write compelling captions, and even schedule your posts in advance. With Canva AI, you can input your brand colors, fonts, and logo, and then browse through a library of templates for Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, you name it. You can customize these templates with your own images, text, and even animations. It's like having a personal graphic designer on call 24/7. And when it comes to writing captions, AI can help you overcome writer's block and craft engaging copy that captures attention and encourages interaction. Tools like Later's AI Caption Generator can suggest relevant hashtags, emojis, and even call to actions. It's like having a social media manager in your pocket. But it's not just about creating pretty pictures and witty captions. It's about using social media to tell your brand story, connect with your audience, and ultimately, drive sales. AI can help you analyze your social media data, identify trends, and understand what's resonating with your target audience. So ditch the overwhelm and let AI be your social media sidekick. It's like having a team of experts helping you create content that gets results. So there you have it. We've covered a lot of ground in this video. From defining your brand voice to creating stunning visuals to crafting compelling messaging and conquering social media, AI is transforming the way brands are built. And the best part is, you don't need to be a tech expert to leverage these tools. They're designed to be user-friendly and accessible to everyone. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring these AI tools today and see how they can help you take your brand to the next level. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned entrepreneur, there's always something new to learn and new ways to innovate. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be sharing your own AI-powered branding tips with the world. So we just threw a ton of information at you, but hopefully, you're walking away with a whole new appreciation for what AI can do in the branding world. It's like having a secret weapon, but it's not really a secret anymore, is it? The tools are out there, ready to streamline your workflow, unleash your creativity, and help you build a brand that truly stands out. We only scratched the surface here, though. There are tons of other AI tools out there, and they're constantly evolving. If you're serious about leveling up your brand game, dive in and start experimenting. And hey, if you discover any cool AI tools, drop them in the comments below. I'm always on the lookout for new tech to geek out over.